Hello and welcome to a very muggy Kuma's Kitchen. Yeah, we're in the middle of rainy season right now. It's muggy, it's hot, so it's time for another frosty drink. Last week made a frosty drink, got another frosty drink this week. This time, I'm calling this the Boozy Maple Frosted Lemonade. And well, let's have a sip. Oh yeah. That's gonna hit the spot for summer. Nice and frosty, very lemony. All right, you need to get some of this. So let's go in the kitchen and make this right now. So this is another really easy drink to make. We got 4 ingredients. What I've got here is the juice of 2 lemons, squeezed out. I've got here 1/3 cup of whiskey. Any whiskey will do for this. Two tablespoons of maple syrup, and then 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream. All right, we got our mixer here again. So this is gonna be the second time we get to use this new Joyami mixer. Let's see, turn it on. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, plus we placed the lid, right. So first thing I'm gonna do is let's pour everything in there. So in goes the whiskey. In goes the lemon juice, the maple syrup, get all that goodness in there, and a little taste of some too. Good maple syrup. All right, the ice cream. There we go. All right, get the lid on. Smoothie, 45 seconds, so I've got the setting for that. Give it a push, and away we go. So we gotta do the backup. The backup is we just toss everything in a bowl, use my good old hand mixer, which always works. I'm not too sure what's going on here. I just take the plug in, everything's plugged in well, and it just quit. So, now it might be something, it also might not be the machine, but for right now, let's hold off until we check this out a bit more as we can give us a good or bad review. Alright, here we go. Well, it turns out there's nothing wrong with this. The breaker got kicked out. It's back on again. But it's a little late now, we gotta get this going. So alright, well, sorry Joyami, not your fault. I'm not blaming it. Definitely electrical system in this old building over here. Oh, what a mess we got now. Alright, got a frosty mug here. Gotta pour that in. Oh yeah. Well, it's still good. It's a bit messier way of making it, but it's gonna taste just as good. Oh yeah. Oh, very lemony. Oh, the little other flavors coming through there. Perfect. All right, make sure you get some of this in you. All right. Now, if you like this recipe, even with all the cock-ups here, well, stick around. There are a lot more original Kevin Riley recipes here on Kuma's Kitchen. Now make sure that you're subscribed, you click that notification bell so you never miss one out, and then go make this and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.